back to this fabulous channel. Welcome to the city of Idaho Springs. If you all are new to the channel, stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we're going to do a food review video. We are here at Gyro Mediterranean Deli and Bar, downtown Idaho Springs, so we are going to check that out. As I was doing the walkthrough video of downtown Idaho Springs, it smelled absolutely delicious, so I decided that this would be the spot to eat for lunch. So I'm going to grab a quick bite to eat and then head further into the mountains to get some of this other stuff done today. So I hope you guys like today's video. Alright, so like I said, I decided to eat here at Gyro. I got the Gyro sandwich with some fries and a Coke. So everything came to about $11.25, so really not bad for pricing. We'll check it out once everything gets here. We'll show you guys the food and see how everything tastes, and do a review and kind of let you know if this is a good spot worth stopping here at Idaho Springs. Alright, just got the food here. The fries look absolutely delicious, fresh, hot, and crispy. And then I have the lamb gyro here and the house sauce, so hopefully everything tastes just as good as it looks right now. I'm going to flip the camera around and going to do a little sampling of everything and see how everything tastes today. Alright, time to dig in and see how everything tastes here. First we'll try one of these fries. Really good. Nice crunchy outside exterior, fluffy inside. Good salt to it as well. That's one thing that I've noticed lately is people don't put enough salt on their fries. This place does, so thank goodness. It tastes awesome. Oops. Try our sandwich here. That's really good. A little heavy on the sauce, but really good. The lamb tastes just perfect. Like I said, the sauce is a little overwhelming quite a bit in that first bite, but hopefully the rest isn't that bad. The pita, really soft. Got that nice grilled outside to it. Absolutely delicious. Try another one and see how good she is now that I got most of that sauce out of the way for the first one. There we go. Yeah, just way too much sauce on that first bite, but the second one, really good. The sauce has a nice blend with the lamb, the pita, and everything is perfect. I would have to say this is a really decent gyro. Definitely going to have to stop here again when I come through the mountains and try this little place out. Sandwich is really good, guys. Can't let my fries get cold either. Definitely glad I stopped here, but I'm going to finish the rest of my lunch. I'll do a kind of review at the end, let you guys know what I thought of everything, and let you know if this place is worth stopping at, so stay tuned. Alright, so I just got done with my lunch here at Gyro. It was really good. Everything was absolutely delicious. Definitely have to stop here again on my way out to Vegas in the mountains. Great little mountain town to stop in. Idaho Springs is where we're at, so if you guys want to check out this place, definitely be sure to do so. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't not already done so. Be sure to share this with your friends and family, get the word out there. We have tons of food review videos left to do. I have to finish editing all the Las Vegas videos, and I have to edit all the Colorado videos. So once I get everything done, you guys should see this posted shortly thereafter. So I appreciate you guys for tuning into the channel. As always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.